Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. After that, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then in this page, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your